Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to change notification ringtone on ViVO Y20i mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you'll have to do is go to setting in your ViVO Y20i mobile phone. In settings, scroll down and go to sounds and vibration. Okay guys, here in sounds and vibration, scroll down again and you can see the notification ringtone. And okay guys, you'll have to do is tap this to change. And you can see the option, okay? You can scroll down for more option or up to show more option. And okay, so I decide to change into bird. And okay guys, that's it, okay? Go back and you can see the notification ringtone is set into bird. And that's it, okay? We have successfully changed the notification ringtone on ViVO Y20i mobile phone. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.